Namaste students. In this video, we will learn about the division of integers. In the previous video, we discussed about what are integers, how you add and subtract two and more integers, what are additive and multiplicative properties, and in this video, we will learn how you divide two integers. So class, take some examples for the division. Class, look here. Minus 4 is an integer, you know. Now class, if we divide, it is divided by, suppose 2. 2 is another integer. Now class, if you divide, forget the sign first. First you divide 4 by 2. If you divide 4 by 2, you get 2. And class, now the sign. Class, देखिए this sign is negative and this positive. So recall plus minus resultant is minus. Then sign is minus. Class, one more thing I want to clear. These are same thing. Minus 4 divided by 2. You may write this also. These and these are same thing. Now class, we take more example. Suppose it is minus 16, one integer. And we divided by 4. So 4 divide. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Class, you know what is plus and minus combination? Minus, you get minus. So class, in these two examples, I divided negative integers by positive integer. That resultant is negative. Okay class, remember this. Sign from here. Now class, if you divide 8 by minus 2, 8 is integer, minus 2 is also an integer. So just divide 8 by 2, you get 4. Again class, plus minus, minus, plus minus, you get minus. It is also minus 4. Now class, take one more example. Suppose I want to divide 64 divided by minus 2. Take one example. It is 32. Now class, sign plus and minus, plus minus, sign is minus. You get minus here. Minus 2 is the answer. So class, note this thing. If you divide any integer by positive integer, either you divide any integer minus b. Both are same thing. Here minus a divided by b. Obviously, here a divided by minus b, both are the same thing and sign becomes negative. Now class, take example, more example. Suppose it is minus 4 divided by minus 2. Now class, simply divide 4 by 2, you get 2. And class, you know, minus minus plus, sign is plus. Remember this sign. Okay class. Now class, take more example, minus 100 divided by minus 5. Both numbers are negative. Minus 100 is divisible by minus 5. So class, just divide 100 by 5 and 20. And since both numbers are negative, resultant sign is positive. Okay class. Now take more various examples. But remember class, you can't divide by 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. Class, we never divide by 0. Look here class, if any integer divided by 0, it means this is the not defined value. We can't divide by 0. But if you divide 0 by any number, you get 0. Remember these two things. We can't divide by 0. Okay class. But if we divide 0 by any number, you get 0. Okay class. Suppose question says divide this. Minus 5 is an integer, divide by 0. Since divide by 0, it means answer is not defined. It is not defined case. Whereas if 0 is divided by minus 5, 0 is integer and minus 5 also integer. Now it is division, answer is always 0. And remember this thing, minus 5 is integer, 0 is integer, but we can't divide by 0. Okay class? Now class, take one more example. Minus 84 divided by 4. What is the answer? So simple divide 2, 1. And class, sign is minus and plus. It is negative integer, it is positive integer. You know minus plus minus, then sign is negative. Okay class? Now take more example. For example, 100 is divisible by minus 50. Both are integers. Now class, divide, it is 2, है ना? And class, both numbers are negative, then sign is positive. It is the plus 2. So that is why we divide by any two integers by this sign. And class, I told you earlier, any integer, suppose any integer, a is any integer, if you divide this integer by 0, class, I remember, just it is not defined. A is any integer, 0 is also an integer. But if 0 is divisible by any integer, your answer is 0. Class, remember these two things. Otherwise, you just get the sign of this table. Okay class, now take one more example of division. Class, suppose I got minus 121 and it to be divided by 11. Minus 121 is an integer and 11 is also another integer. Now you divide. So simple divide 121 divided by 11, you get again 11. Now what is the sign of the result? First number is negative and second is positive. First number is negative and second is positive. Your answer is in the form of negative. It is minus negative. Whereas if both numbers are negative, then what is the answer? You just divide, you get 11. Now what is the sign? Since both integers are negative, then resultant sign is positive. It means your answer is positive. So for the sign, remember this table. So that is why we divide any integer. And class, remember we can't divide by 0 because it is not well defined. Okay, but any integer is divisible by 0, not defined. But 0 is divisible by any number, you get 0. Namaste class.